Today on the Stay at Home Chef, we're making a delicious dish that's perfect for any night of the week. It can be whipped up in no time with just a few simple steps and devoured probably even faster than that. This honey garlic shrimp recipe is going to be a hit with your family and friends, so let's get started. First, let's make our marinade. In a bowl, we're going to mix together 1/4 a cup of honey. This sweet component of our marinade balances out the saltiness that the soy sauce brings. And then that salty soy sauce, which we're using 2 tablespoons of. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and this is going to help mix everything together and act as a lubricant for when we cook the shrimp. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic, which is going to give us that amazing garlicky flavor. If you want to use the jarred minced garlic, go for it. No judgment from me. Then 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, which gives us just a slight tanginess. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Then 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and that is going to give us the little spice that we need to add a little kick to the dish. And if you're a saucy person and want extra, feel free to double that. Once our marinade is all mixed together, we're going to add it to 1.5 pounds of peeled deveined shrimp. These guys still have their tails on. Give those a toss and make sure they're all coated, and then we want to let these marinate for about 15 minutes. We've just pulled these out of the fridge from marinating for a bit, and now it's time to head over to the stove. In a large pan over medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once heated, use a slotted spoon, scoop out the shrimp, and add that to the pan. Cook the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes until they start to turn pink. Then we're going to add in about 4 cups of snow peas. You could also use snap peas, and that little bit of remaining marinade. Stir everything together and let that cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until those vegetables are a little more tender. Of course, you can use any veggies you want. We have a lot of great options over on our website. Our shrimp is perfectly cooked and our vegetables are now tender, and the sauce has coated everything lovely. You can serve this up on a bed of rice or simply as is. Either way, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.